Hello future CS, welcome back to my channel again. Your one-stop guide for everything related to CA exams. If you are new here, I am Pooja, a chartered accountant. I have an experience of working for Ernst& Young KPMG and I help CA aspirants like you succeed with practical tips, strategies and support. So I have some very important news for all the CA Inter students who are appearing for the January 2026 exam. The BOS of ICI has just made an exciting announcement that's going to make your exam preparation a whole lot easier. That is the live virtual revisionary classes or the LVRC. So in this video, we'll see what are these LVRC, what are the benefits of attending these classes, and we'll also see the schedule and timing for the same. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Every subscription works like a motivation for me and it also makes my day. So guys, when you visit my channel, do check out the playlist section. You will find several curated playlists for the CA Inter exam. Make sure to explore them and watch the videos in order to get maximum benefit from each of the topics. So now you all might be wondering what exactly are these LVRC? Well, these LVRC stand for Live Virtual Revisionary Classes and these are free online live classes which are conducted by the ICA's own expert faculty to help CA students revise important concepts, clear doubts and strengthen their exam preparation right before the exam. So in short, it's like having the best revision support directly from the ICI itself. So these classes are not meant to teach the syllabus from scratch. Instead, they focus on revising all important topics and tricky areas, solving the frequently asked and exam-oriented question, and also giving you the right approach and presentation tips to score well in the exams. So now let's discuss as to why you should attend these LVRC. So you should definitely not miss this session. Firstly, because they are absolutely free and conducted by the ICI. You don't have to pay a single rupee. Secondly, these are live Zoom classes, which means you can interact directly with the faculty, ask your doubts, and get them clarified instantly. Thirdly, even if you miss a class, recorded lectures are available with unlimited access. So in order to know how to watch the recording, do stay with me till the end of the video and I'll let you know how can you watch the recording. So you can watch these recordings anytime, anywhere and revise at your own pace. Fourthly, you will also get notes, MCQ assignments and exam tips shared during the session, all of which are extremely helpful for quick revision. And finally, these classes follow a very exam-centric approach, focusing on what really matters for your January 2026 attempt. So attending these classes can genuinely boost your confidence and help you walk into the exam hall well prepared and stress-free. So now let's discuss as to how you can attend these classes. So step number 1 is through Zoom meeting. So just log in into your BOS knowledge portal, enter your details, that is the course name, registration number and date of birth. And once you log in, you will get a link to join this LVRC Zoom live classes. So you can join the Zoom from there. And other options are from the ICI BOS mobile app, which is available both on the Google Play Store as well as the Apple Store. And you can also watch these recordings from the playlist section of the ICI CATube YouTube channel. So in this there will be a separate playlist as LVRC for CA Inter January 2026. So you can watch it from there also. So I will give all of these links in the description below. So you can access the links from there. So whether you prefer watching on your phone, laptop or YouTube, the ICI has made sure that you can revise anywhere and anytime. Amazing, right? So now let's quickly see what is the schedule and timing of these classes. So these classes are beginning from 11 November 2025 onwards. And then there will be morning session and evening session. That is, some subjects the classes will be held in the morning, and for some subject the classes will be held in the evening. So the timing of the morning session is 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and the timing of the evening session is 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. So now let's see the schedule subject wise. So first we have paper 1 advanced accounting, and this subject class will be held in the morning, and this will be held on Thursdays and Saturday, and the date of commencement is 13 November 2025. Then we have corporate and other law. This will be an evening session, and this class will be held on Thursdays and Saturdays, and date of commencement is 13 November. Then we have paper 3 taxation, that is section A income tax law. This is going to be an evening session, and this will be held on Tuesdays and Friday, and the date of commencement is 11th November 2025. Then we have paper 3 taxation section B goods and service tax. This is also going to be an evening session, and the classes will be held on Mondays and Wednesday, and the date of commencement is 12th November 2025. So next we have paper 4 cost and management accounting. This is going to be a morning session, and these classes will be held on Tuesday and Friday, and date of commencement is 11th November. And next we have paper 5 auditing and ethics. This is going to be a morning session, and the days will be Monday and Wednesday, and this will commence from 12th November. Next we have paper 6 section A financial management. This is going to be an evening session, and the class will be held on Sunday, and the date of commencement is 16 November 2025. Then we have paper 6 section B strategic management. This is going to be a morning session, and this will be held on Sunday, and the date of commencement is 16th November. So this is a golden opportunity. Do mark your calendars and ensure you attend these classes without fail. So here's a quick summary of what the LVRC offers. Live Zoom classes with one-to-one interaction with the expert faculty. Doubt solving sessions during the class. Notes, MCQs and assignments. Guidance on exam presentation and strategy. Unlimited access to the recordings. And the classes will be taken by the expert ICAI faculty. Basically everything you need for a strong and smart revision before the exams. So guys, make sure you mark these dates and attend these classes regularly. This is your chance to learn directly from the ICAI's expert faculty, revise the most important topics and get that final boost before your exams. Mark your calendars, register soon, and make sure you attend these sessions regularly. Remember, smart revision is the key to success, and ICAI's LVRC session are designed exactly for that. So go ahead, register on the portal and make the full use of this amazing opportunity. All the best for your CA Inter exams. Stay focused, keep revising, and I will see you all in the next video.